Hey guys, how are you? I'm back with another video. This time it's a makeup video. I looked out my window this morning and saw that it was snowing and I was like, oh, that's so shitty. I want sun. So I came in here and was like, I'm gonna do a glowy sun-kissed look to make me feel better. And you know what? It worked. I feel great. I feel so good. So I created this like goldy glowy look with bold brows. Added more freckles on my face to give it more of that sun-kissed look. I have legit freckles here, but not around here. So it's kind of cool to play around that. And yeah, I had fun with this. So let's just get on to it. It started snowing last night. That makes me really sad. I want the snow to go away. I'm tired of the snow. I don't want any more snow. I want sun, so I want to be sun-kissed and I want to make my face look glowy and like I was kissed by 5 million sun angels. Yeah. Okay, so I'm about to get ready for going nowhere. I'm going to start by moisturizing my face. I haven't done so yet this morning. I'm going to take my Ultra Facial Cream by Kiehls and apply this all over my face. Next, I'm going to mix my Radiance Primer by Smashbox with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. Gives the face that like all over shimmery glow, but not too overbearing. And then I just go in and apply a little bit more foundation anywhere that I have some dark spots. So definitely around my cheeks where I break out the most. I'm going to brighten up my eyes, around my eyes, with Charlotte Tilbury's The Retoucher. And this is in the shade 2. I'm just over the snow, but our driveway is so steep that like venturing out sometimes is impossible. I'm not even exaggerating. Our driveway is like this. This is the car and you used to drive up here like so and then it goes flat. What is it?
Who is this for?
That's for your teacher.
Where's?
They're chocolates. You have to give them to her tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna give all their chocolate treats to his classmates and teacher tomorrow. He probably wanted to eat it, but I'm glad he asked. Very sweet. Oh my. Okay, so my little daughter Autumn loves playing with my makeup. She has ruined the majority of my lipsticks. Fingers inside, gives it a little twist, rubs it on our face. She went into my Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation. It has like the foundation on one side, the contour on the other, and she literally like just went nutso. Thanks, baby. But I do have another one that I could use. Define those cheekbones even more. My mom has really intense cheekbones. They're like so deep and they like stick out so much. She doesn't like them, but I'm like, Mom, you gotta embrace it. People kill for those cheekbones. Well, I don't know if they kill, but they would definitely pay a lot of freaking money. I added a bit more than I normally would, just so I can, you know, bronze up these cheeks a bit more, look like I've been in the sun. I just got back from Costa Rica not too long ago, I think like a week ago. I didn't get much sun there though. I mean, I love, 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 love the country. We all fell in love with Costa Rica. We'll definitely be back. But I was hoping for a little bit more sun. Definitely if you're like at the beach, you will get a great amount of sun, but we spent a lot of our time in the mountains, which is so beautiful. But if you're expecting to get like a nice tan and be, you know, out in the sun, chilling and bronzing, think again. Then I'm going to highlight my face with Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Beauty Light Wand. Just gonna squeeze some more out. Oh, actually there's a good amount there. I love this so much. If this ever gets discontinued, I'm gonna be really upset. Just gives it like a really pretty, delicate, natural looking glow. Oh, I use my hands so much. So yeah, Matt and I just got back from Costa Rica. Absolutely loved it. Would definitely recommend it to anybody and everybody, and I have so far. But next we are going to Thailand. We're going to Thailand near the end of March. We've been there before, back in 2011, but it's been a while. We've never been to the side we're going to this time. We're going to visit Phuket, and we've never been there. So I'm really excited. We're only there for a week, but any recommendations that you guys may have, please let me know. Like really good restaurant spots, must-see places, landmarks, all that good stuff. I'm just gonna make my entire face gold. I just decided now. I want to feel like $1,000,000 or however much gold is. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my NYX I Love You So Mochi. Is it Mochi or Mochi? I don't even know. This one is a Sleek and Chic palette. I'm gonna go with this shimmery color. This one. I'm not even gonna use a brush. I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna apply it all over the lid. Slowly forming into a gold statue, one swipe at a time. Today is actually Valentine's Day. I'm filming on Valentine's Day. Matt and I have nothing planned. We're not big on Valentine's. I think that you should do nice things and love and treat your partner or whoever you're with love and respect every day. And I don't expect anything. I think it's just a silly holiday. So we are just gonna hang out, probably watch a movie. Big Brother Celebrity Edition has started, and we're huge Big Brother fans, so we haven't caught up. We haven't watched the first episode, so we'll probably watch that one tonight with some wine and some chocolate, and that's just a dream to me. That sounds fantastic. I'm excited for it already. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm easy to please. Not always, that's a lie. But on Valentine's Day I am, because I don't give a shit. So I'm just like applying this literally all over Smashbox's new palettes they have out. This is the Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio in #goals. Goals. Right there. And then I apply that a little bit in the corners and then kind of move it up into the crease a bit. Okay, I'm going underneath now with the same shades that I was playing with before. If you want to know what brush I'm using, this is the Sigma E38 brush, diffuse crease brush. Why can't I say that? And then for my bottom lid eyeshadow, I'm going in with my E55 eye shading brush. Just gonna blend that out. Make it look really diffused and soft. I'm going to take the lightest shade and apply that to my brow bone. And then with my Sigma E30 brush, I'm going to just apply it in the inner corner of my eye. We're moving on to the brows. Not going to have gold brows though, because just not feeling that today, you know? It's only for certain days. And a boring Wednesday, it's just not one of those days. I feel like having really bushy brows today, so that's what we're gonna do. The brow cream that I use is Kiehls Professional's Top Brow, and this is in Ebony. And I'm gonna create pretty bushy brows today. I like to fill in spots that are kind of lacking in the hair department, and then give them a nice little shape as well. And then I take my Brow Tamer by Urban Decay, and this one's just in clear, and I like to brush through it, kind of blend it all so it looks more natural. You can't see any harsh lines. And I want them to be thicker and a little bit more bushy for this look. So I'm going in with my boy brow, and this one's in black. And then I just go in and just lightly brush the hairs upwards. Yep, those are pretty bold brows. Bold, bushy brows. Gold eyes, check. Bold brows, check. Hand movements, check. That was kind of a weird tangent. I went from eyeshadow to eyebrows, but now I'm going to go back to my eyes. I'm going to add, you know, a little bit of liner, some mascara, eyelashes. But for this look, I want really bold lashes too. Bold brows, bold hair. Not mustache hair, because that's weird. That's just not the type of look I'm going for. But definitely bold lashes and bold eyebrows. So I'm probably going to be doing a lot of editing right now. I'm going to be editing how long this actually takes me to apply. For you guys, it probably will seem like it's flawless and it took me about 2 seconds, but realistically it probably took about 2 minutes. Let's see. So this is not edited yet, okay? This is one cut. Let's see if I can do this. I have tweezers. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. Whoa! That was flippin' fantastic. That actually wasn't too bad. I'm impressed with myself. I'm going in with mascara. This is Tarte's Maneater. Then I'm going to apply a crap load to my bottoms. I want them to look like spider legs. 98, 99, 100. Perfecto. Okay, now I'm going to do cheeks. I'm going to make myself look really gold. I'm using a NARS blush in Intensely. It's called Intensely. And it's intensely orangey peach. A little bit on my nose, chin. Now I'm going in with some highlight. All over highlight. With my Sigma F03 brush, the high cheekbone highlighter. I'm gonna take this gold color, gonna swipe it many times. We're going gold. Once you go gold, you never fold. It doesn't make any sense. Once you go gold, you'll never be moldy. No. With my Lancome gloss cream, I'm gonna go and apply this on the lips. It actually matches my shirt quite nicely and my door. Wow. Oh, I love the consistency of this. It's so creamy, moisturizing, not drying, not too shiny, but super feminine, pretty, really glowy. Look at that cheekbone, man. Good thing I'm not going outside. I might blind some people. I'm going to add some more freckles. I have freckles. I've grown to love them, but foundation covers them, so I'm going to add a little. Scared me. You know, foundation covers them. And to make this look a bit more sun-kissed, I like to go in with my Sigma EO6 brush, and this is for winged liners, but it's very, very tiny. It's really, really small. It's an angled brush and it's super fine. I like to use this for freckles because it kind of gives a different shape every time you twist the brush, so the freckles look natural. Again, for my freckles, I use my Smashbox Shape Matters. So I use this one a lot. This one I go in with some of the dark colors, change it up, and then just like slowly go around, always alternating the brush direction. I want to give myself some forehead freckles too, because I've never had those. And maybe a little bit like around the lip. Why not the chin? Kind of making myself look like I have like chicken pox. Never had this many freckles before. I love it. Don't worry, I'm going to go in and soften it so it's not going to look like this. So I got my freckles, I got them where I want them. Now I'm going to make them a little bit more soft, look more natural, because this kind of looks like I'm sick. My tapered highlighter. I'm going in with some powder. Going with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD powder. Only need a little bit. Ooh, this stuff's really fine. And then I just dab on my freckles and fluff them up, soften them. You know what, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna give my face an all over shimmer bath. So I'm gonna use Tarte's Ready Set Radiance Skin Mist. And this is really, really pretty. It adds some shimmer. I use this almost every day. Ooh. Oh, it smells so nice too. It just gives you that all over glow. Not that I need any more, but we're going for it. Oh. And here it is. My goldy, shimmery, kind of sun-kissed look. I feel like I just went out in the sun. So glowy. I feel so happy. And then I look outside and see that it's miserable and snowy. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you liked this video. I mean, kind of rambled and didn't talk about much, but I had fun doing it and I feel really good now. I feel like I can take on all the snow. I can take on all the snow. Send me more. Just joking. Don't do that. I don't want snow. Have a good day, guys. Good night, whatever time it is you're watching this, and I'll see you later. Bye. Mwah.